In MCQ 9, we're going to start to take a look a little bit with regards to mole concept. So we're going to look at which of the compound actually contains the highest percentage of sulfur by mass. So the general formula here will be percentage of whatever you're trying to determine. Will be in this case here the number of sulfur atoms multiplied by the AR of sulfur. We have this to be over the MR of the said compound. And to convert it towards my percentage, I'll just multiply by 100 itself. So for my first item here for sulfur dioxide, we'll be looking at only one sulfur. So 1 times 32, which is the AR of sulfur, divided by the MR of sulfur dioxide. I'm just going to write out all of the workings first before giving the answers. For sulfuric acid in this case here, there's again only one sulfur. So that's going to be 1 times 32. Divided by the MR of sulfuric acid. So remember, for each of the factor, we will need to multiply by 100 to change it into a percentage format for comparison. Sodium sulfide, on the other hand, again, only one part of sulfur. So this will be equals to 1 times 32 divided by the MR of sodium sulfide multiplied by 100. And for lead 2 sulfide, total of 2 sulfur, 2 times 32 divided by the MR of TdS2 multiplied by 100. So to write it all out, this will be 32 times 100 divided by 32 plus 2 times 16. And for the case of H2SO4, this will be 32 times 100 divided by 2 times 1 for 2 hydrogen plus 32 plus 4 times 16 for 4 of your oxygen. For sodium sulfide, 32 times 100 divided by 2 times 23 plus 32. For lead 2 sulfide, this will be equals to 2 times 32 times 100 divided by 207 plus 32 times 2. So let's take a look at the final value for each of the following. So for the first one here, for my SO2, the value that we will be obtaining will be at 50%. For the second, for sulfuric acid, we'll be obtaining the percentage value of 32.7%, and this is to 3SF. For Na2S, a value of 41.0%, and this is again to 3SF. And the final one for lead 2 sulfide, we obtain a value of 23.6%, also towards 3SF. So the question wanted the highest percentage of sulfur by mass. We will be going with option A at 50%.